Is it possible to completely reset AirPods for a previous owner?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing whether it's possible to completely reset AirPods for a previous owner. If you've recently acquired a pair of AirPods and want to ensure that they're disconnected from any previous owner's devices and data, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in.
Resetting AirPods to factory settings.
AirPods can indeed be reset to their factory settings, which effectively disconnects them from any previous owner's devices. To perform a complete reset, follow these steps. 1. Start by ensuring that the AirPods are not connected to any device. 2. Place both AirPods in their charging case and close the lid. 3. Wait for a few seconds and then open the lid of the charging case. 4. On the back of the case, locate the small button, usually near the bottom. 5. Press and hold the button on the back of the case until you see the LED light on the front of the case flashing amber. 6. Keep holding the button until the LED light changes from amber to white and starts flashing rapidly. 7. Release the button, and your AirPods have now been reset to their factory settings.
Verification of reset.
After performing the reset, it's a good idea to verify that the AirPods have been successfully reset and are ready to be paired with a new device. Here's what you can do. 1. Open the lid of the charging case with the AirPods inside. 2. Unlock your iPhone or iPad and bring it close to the AirPods case. 3. The AirPods setup animation should automatically appear on your device's screen. 4. Follow the on-screen instructions to pair the AirPods with your device.
Disconnecting from previous owner's devices.
By following the reset process outlined in Section 1, you can be confident that the AirPods have been completely disconnected from any previous owner's devices. The reset wipes all the existing pairing information, making the AirPods ready for a new owner to pair them with their own devices. And there you have it. It is indeed possible to completely reset AirPods for a previous owner. By following the simple steps we discussed, you can ensure that the AirPods are disconnected from any previous devices and ready for a new pairing. Thanks for watching today's video, and I hope it has been helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Have a fantastic day, and we'll see you in the next video.